This is John Lansing with your chart of the day. And today I'm just going to, just wanted to recap Goldman Sachs from last week, where, entry is, if you're in the stock, $1.65 or less. We got that entry. For us below that 165 level, and which was equivalent to $2 or less, let's say, on the options. Now, on Monday, the stock broke out and the options traded all the way up to 265. Yesterday, the whole market got clubbed, but Goldman Sachs was one of the only stocks that is still above the lows from last week when I originally had done the chart of the day Goldman Sachs update. So even though this stock is held up really, really strong, and actually indications are it usually doesn't trade this early in pre-market, it's trading a little bit, ticking up in that 165, 68 area already in the early pre-market, because believe it or not, these chart of the day updates are done really, really early. But being that it's strong, keep in mind the target area, is at that 175 level. But if you're needing a reference point, like, what happens if this market, because yesterday there was some little bit of ugly, little bit of scary, in the market. Anytime the Dow drops 200 points, well, even though it didn't break any major supports, psychologically, as we go down to, let's say, 11,000, it's like, oh man, what happened to the past month? We've given back gains really quick. So you can use a reference point for those that aren't as self-directed. That 164.65, which were the lows on Friday, because this was Friday's original chart of the day update, was Goldman Sachs. Then yesterday, it held those lows at 164.66. So being that it came within that level twice and held it, rallied off of it, that's some pretty strong support. Again, target still looks to be the same, but if the market gets a little bit too volatile, you can always use the lows from the the Friday update from the chart of the day as your reference point as a stop. Talk to you on the next update. This has been John Lansing with Goldman Sachs chart of the day, editor Trending 123. Talk to you later.